Hello friends, let us make a gluten-free plain papad today. For this we need 2 cups fine urad dal powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, this is what gives it the rise and the puff, 1 teaspoon salt, you may also use 1/4 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/4 cup water. This is not a standard measurement, use only that much as required. And gluten-free maida replacer for dusting. Now first we will mix salt and baking soda to the urad dal powder. Mix it very well and see that the soda is well mixed and there are no lumps of soda in it. Once mixed thoroughly, add water very carefully. Water should not increase, so it's better that you add it spoon by spoon into the mix. And we have to make a tight dough out of this. Now the most important part is the amount of water you add in. It should not go up, it should not be sticky. And it has to be a tight dough. Once you have achieved all the dry flour has been absorbed into the dough, add sesame oil bit by bit. Incorporate all of the sesame oil. I had to use only 2 teaspoons in this. And mix it very well. Keep it aside, let it rest for 10 minutes. And then the most important step in making of this papad is the kneading of the dough. Dough has to be kneaded with enough pressure so as to make it soft and pliable. It should not be too hard or dry. It will be smooth and tight dough in the end. So it is better that you make use of a spice pounder, and with the folding and pounding technique, make it into a soft dough. And after that, make a log out of the dough, cut it into small pieces, and on a hard surface or a cleaned kitchen counter, start rolling out with a rolling pin. Start rolling out very thin papad. And in case you are very particular about the shape, you may cut it out with a steel utensil so as to achieve a perfect round shape. Otherwise, you may use it as it is. The papad has to be rolled out really thin. And lay it out on a sheet of paper and put it in the sun. If you are putting it in the sun, put it in the sun. It should not dry out completely. It has to be put only for 5 to 10 minutes if it is hot enough. And then when you fry it, once dry, just tap out the excess gluten-free maida on it, sticking onto it, and then fry it in hot oil and serve it to your family. This plain papad is so tasty that it can be had even as a snack. There is no need to use it as an accompaniment. So please do try this. The papadams or plain papad which are available in the market, they use maida for dusting, so it is not gluten free in the real sense. So this can be made at home easily and we can enjoy these tasty papad as an evening or morning snack. So please do try out this recipe and please share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more recipes. Thank you.